If you want to mute camera sound on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then unfortunately if we go to the camera and over here if you try to go through settings in order to find an option that allows you to disable the shutter sound, unfortunately you will not be able to find it. There is no switcher or button or anything else that allows you to just mute the camera sound. What you can do instead is you can go to the settings of your phone. Over here proceed to sounds and vibration. Next we're gonna go to volume. And you can disable the system volume over here. You can completely turn it down. This includes the camera sound, and therefore you can mute the camera sound just like that. Now, if you don't want to really turn the system volume down at all, but you still want to mute the camera sound, then in that case we can proceed to modes and routines in settings. Over here we're gonna switch to routines. We're gonna press this plus at the top. Over here we're gonna add a trigger, so we're gonna tap on this plus at the top. In here, scroll down a little bit and search for the app opened. There we go. We're gonna select this option and then press OK. If needed, tap again to proceed. Now here, we're gonna choose camera and then tap on a done. Here we should be able to then choose the routine, what should happen. And now here we're gonna choose sounds and vibration and then choose sound mode and volume. In here, we can turn the system volume down to 0% and then tap on it done. And we're gonna save. Of course, we can set up the routine name if you want to. You can change the color and the icon as well. So be sure to do that if that's necessary and tap on it done. Now, once that is enabled, right now you can probably hear that I have this tapping sound, which means that the system sound is on. But if I now go to the camera, wait like a second or so, and then use the shutter button, as you can hear, there is nothing. Well, you cannot hear nothing, actually, because the shutter sound is muted. But if I exit now the camera, the system sound is enabled back again. I can also show you by opening the volume panel, if I just fix that in the settings first. Alright, there we go. And as you can see, the system volume is completely off. But if I exit the camera and open the panel again, now the system volume is back on as it was before. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.